begin to raise men and women for themselves. May our church rise and take their place against wolves in Jesus' name. We have wolves, and you know, the wolves, their love life is not genuine. Their love life is not genuine. When a wolf is coming close, I told you, when they want to come to you to take from you, they behave like a dog. They come and they rub their body on you. But when they want to destroy you, so many ladies are crying today because they came across wolves in the church. Oh, the brother walking, looking very handsome, pious, psychedelic, he doesn't import anything. By the time you enter the house, and unfortunately, many of our sisters are cohabiting with a man that don't know your mother, your father. They are wolves. They don't know your father, your mother. They have not paid anything on your head. They have captured you.